Usually accompanied by a glass of milk or a cup of hot tea or coffee, chocolate chip cookies are well balanced between salty and sweet in flavor, tenderly chewy in texture, and filled with small melting chocolate pyramids, bringing a generation of Americans back to their childhood. The origin story of these sweet treats is incredibly interesting, almost as the cookies themselves. The Toll House Inn was a popular bed and breakfast in Whitman, Massachusetts, bought by Ruth Graves Wakefield and her husband in 1930. Ruth's cooking was so good that the inn gained an excellent reputation in a short span of time. Enter Duncan Hines, a traveling salesman from Kentucky who began compiling a list of the best roadside eateries in 1935. First, he included the Toll House Inn's Indian pudding on the list, and a decade later, he also included the chocolate chip cookies that we all know and love today. Ruth was baking chocolate cookies when she found out that she didn't have any more baker's chocolate. Instead, she used a new semi-sweet chocolate that she got from her friend Andrew Nestle, broke it into small pieces, and placed them in her batter for buttered sugar cookies. The chocolate didn't melt like she thought it would, and the result was a cookie that Ruth originally called the Toll House Chocolate Crunch Cookie. The Boston Press published her recipe, and the sales of both Nestle chocolate and the cookies skyrocketed. Nestle and Wakefield made a deal. He would print the recipe on the chocolate, and she would get a lifetime supply of chocolate. The recipe is printed on the chocolate package up to this day, giving everyone a chance to make their own chocolate chip cookies.